Want your carpet cleaning business to book more jobs without spending thousands? Here's your step-by-step plan to win local leads. First, optimize your Google business profile. Add services, upload photos, post weekly, and ask every happy customer for reviews. This is your digital storefront. Next, build strong service pages and city-specific landing pages. Keep it mobile-friendly, fast, and make it easy to call or book in under a minute. Show proof. Post short before and after videos, write simple blog tips, and share testimonials. People trust what they can see. Layer in ads, Google, local services, Facebook, and retarget visitors who didn't book. This puts you ahead while your SEO builds. Reviews fuel growth. Reply to everyone, good or bad. Build partnerships with realtors and local groups, and wow customers with small extras that make them refer friends. Want a custom local growth plan for your carpet cleaning business? MarketinGear can build it for you. Click below to book your free local lead audit today.